Hello and welcome back to our channel Maha Uma's World. Thank you everyone for your continued support. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Today I am going to make sweet potato Kuzhi Paniyaram. For that we need around 350 gram sweet potato. First thing, wash the sweet potato well and cut it into small pieces. You can steam or pressure cook for 2 whistles. Meanwhile, I made jaggery syrup using 1/4 cup jaggery. You can use sugar as well, but adjust the sweetness as per your taste. Now the sweet potato cooks soft. After it's cooled down, remove the skin and mash well without any lumps and keep it aside. Now take a mixing bowl, add 1 cup wheat flour, 2 tablespoons rice flour and 1 cup mashed sweet potato, 1/4 cup jaggery syrup and required amount of salt and 1/4 cup water. Mix well all together like a idli batter consistency. Now the batter is ready. If your batter is too thick, you can add some more water. At this stage, add 2 tablespoons grated coconut and mix well together and keep it aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add half teaspoon baking soda and mix well and it's ready. Heat the Kuzhi Paniyaram pan with some oil and grease well. Then add the batter into mold. Cover the lid for few minutes, then we will flip it over. After some time, just flip over and cook for few more minutes until it turns golden brown. Now you can see both sides turns into golden brown. This is the correct stage to take it out. Switch off the flame. In same way, I made some more sweet potato Kuzhi Paniyaram. Now the healthy sweet potato Kuzhi Paniyaram is ready. You can have for a breakfast or as a evening snack. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.